Hey everyone, if your voice chat is not working in Mobile Legends, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your microphone permission. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depending on your phone model. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Permissions and make sure microphone is enabled. If it's disabled, turn it on and restart the game. Next, check your in-game voice settings. Up in Mobile Legends, go to Settings, then Sound, scroll down a little bit and make sure voice chat is enabled. Also check if the volume for voice chat is set max or high enough. If your microphone still is not working, try clearing the game cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, Manage Apps, find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Restart the game and check if voice chat works. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause voice chat to lag or not work. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. If you are using a headset or Bluetooth device, unplug it and try using the phone's built-in microphone. Sometimes Mobile Legends doesn't detect external audio devices properly. Check if Mobile Legends is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends and install any available updates. Also, update your Android system software by going to Settings and find Software Update option. If voice chat is still not working, reinstall the game, uninstall Mobile Legends, restart your phone and download the latest version from the Google Play Store. And that's it. Your Mobile Legends voice chat should now work properly. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes. See you in the next video.